Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. So today we have our first alliance war of this season 20, or I guess I don't know which season it is. I guess it is season number 20. So yeah, super excited for this season. I'm in a master alliance, and this was my first war. So I was given some preferential treatment. People wanted to see how good I am. This is my first war with them. So I was not given many fights, and I just saw what we were doing right now. We were not doing good, but yeah, that's not gonna stop me from boosting up and taking this next fight, which is a void, which I was seriously concerned about. So how this fight works is, the closer you are to him, you'll get a weakness buff on yourself, and you know how void works. If you heal, he'll basically take that into negative. He'll kill you, and it has steady build up of fury. So this was the longer this fight goes, the worse it's gonna get for me. This long distance relationship. This is not a good node for any champion. I did had Nick Fury for him, and this was the recommended guy from my alliance leader and alliance mates. But as he's not duped, so I don't want to risk it. I bank on Captain America much more than any other champion in Alliance Wars, especially, and hence I have my suicides off. So I thought, yeah, I can kill him if I can get to a SP2, but I don't want to risk it. I want to be safe, super safe. So I went in and I just gave a power. It's called a power start one boost something, and some 200% science boost, because I had that in the overflow as well. So yeah, I went in. I wanted to be like damn sure I do not die on this, because that's gonna give a very bad reputation for my name in Alliance Force, and yeah, for sure not under my watch. So my plan here was to be go on SP2 and throw that SP2. If that doesn't kills him, my SP3 will. Now you see, once I get this weakness on me, I was degenning for 356. So I was a bit scared, but see, that's the power of Captain America. SP2 for over 95,000. It was something around a lakh. And this fight like ended in a couple of seconds, man. I was like laughing at this fight. It took me almost a minute to prepare for this fight, and this fight got over in 15 seconds. That's the beauty of Captain America, and people are sleeping on this guy. So super happy with that, super confident with that particular fight. So I thought, why not? Let's keep boosting, not extremely highly, just, and even I was concerned for not for this one but for the next fight. So I thought, yeah, let's be safe. I have some invulnerability boost with me, I can use that and be safe, but not for this one. This fight is a super easy fight. You get to SP3 with Dr. Doom and it's sealed. I did not even boost up for this fight. I was so damn confident. The only node you need to keep in mind is, this is like power gain from afar. So if you are away from the defender, they are gonna get a lot of power, but that is really good for Dr. Doom. The more power they get, the better it is for me, because I can steal that power. And you will see that it gets a bit sketchy sometimes, but not with this champion, of course. This fight was always in the control, always in the back. The next fight is what I'm talking about, with Vision Arcus. That can get a bit sketchy, but I was well prepared for that fight as well, which you're gonna see in a couple of seconds. This fight is super easy. It's always in the back. There is nothing much to worry about. It's a standard fight, and even if he throws his specials, I can dex it. I'll take some damage from his staggers, I guess, but that's okay. And now you see the power gain on him. It's getting a bit crazy, but I have my SP1, which in return will give me an SP2, and I don't even need to care about it, because I'll throw it in his blocks, and then I will hold my block so that he does not throw his special, and then I'll again throw my SP2. So this was, you can say, a bit sketchy, but it's always under control. Even if he throws his SP3, I'm like still gonna tank it, because Dr. Doom is amazing. And this fight had me a bit worried. I was like, this guy has insane power gain, and he has kinetic transference as well, so I wanted to be sure. So I went in, thinking that I can do it. I did not heal up as well. I went in, and yeah, you can see how the fight goes now. He gets indestructible. That's again, not really good. But see, now he is on a SP3, and I'm not able to drain as much power as I want. So I'm trying to out damage him at this point, and now I'm on SP3 because I have my Mystic Dispersion on. So I really do not think that this guy will be able to blast his SP3 before I do the same. So I think this strategy of Doctor Doom against Vision Arcus, because he cannot armor break us. So I think we can tank his SP3 for sure. And if we need to use boosts, we'll do. Not a big thing. Mystic Dispersion helps Doom a lot. So I felt confident enough for this fight, and I think Doctor Doom is the best option for this guy. So we are doing awesome damage. We have two Furies as well, so one SP2 is game over for this guy. And if he is not dead, I'll throw my SP1. Like I was just hitting my SP1, SP1, SP1 like that. So yeah, this was a great start to the season for me. So yeah, that's all for this particular war. I'll bring these super amazing wars in the season to come. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Please hit that like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day ahead.